Hello, you guys. Welcome to our new home. Come on. If you didn't watch my last video, you don't know that we bought a house. Yay, exciting. So go watch that video. And this is the tour. This is introduction. Okay, let's continue. Okay, so I'm gonna do this little home tour for you guys. It's empty right now, obviously. We haven't moved anything in. We literally just got the keys. And well, here it is. Here is the living room. We're painting everything white for obvious reasons. I'm not much of a beige gal. We're gonna put the couch over here, TV here. Then over here is the dining room. We didn't really want like an open concept when we were looking, but we figured it would be nice. Like it's open, but it's not too open, if you know what I mean. Because right now the way our house is set up, people like to just chill in the kitchen and they can't hang out with us in like the living room. This is good. I mean, it's just a huge space, and these windows give you so much light. Now we have a fireplace here, which I am so excited about because Christmas decorations are gonna look so good. Unfortunately, it's not usable. Not unfortunately, I'm scared of fires. It's just like not a big mantle, you know what I mean? I don't know what the normal size for a mantle is, but this one looks small. Also, over here, we have this window unit, which is really cool. These actually open up into storage. This place has so much storage, which is something that we absolutely love. Here is the kitchen. Check this out. It's a big open kitchen. I mean, the tile is heinous. There's no arguing that one. We're gonna change the tile to black and white tile, and eventually I think we'll end up painting the cabinets. I don't know quite what we're gonna do. We offered, we got all the appliances, so that's really good for our home because we don't want to like pay for all that right now. Is there anything else in the kitchen that I should show?
No. Should we get?
Hello everybody, welcome to my home. This is my kitchen.
Is that how I speak? No. Here is our fridge. We love this fridge because it's got a water filter. I don't know if it works. It works, so that's exciting because we have like one of those ones that you have to fill, which is not ideal because I hate filling it up. We've got something really iconic in my opinion, something we lack in our house right now. I mean, as you can see, there's a ton of cabinets here. We don't have a lot of that where we live now, but come, look at this. Have you ever seen anything more stunning in your entire life? This is a pantry, and I'm not gonna be like those girls that get like all those containers for cereal and then you don't actually eat cereal, because as you guys might know, I hate cereal. So I don't really understand when everybody wants to have an aesthetically pleasing pantry. Like, what's the point? Washer and dryer. It's not the cutest, but it's a washer and dryer. Got a mop, we got all the goods. They left us with like the most random stuff. Like, why is there water right here? Like, why did you leave that? And there's like red Solo cups in the cabinets.
And a half-eaten apple in the garbage can.
Ew! So here is just the thing to the basement. We have a basement. Exciting. Nothing exciting there. And then if you follow me into this area, you'll see the most heinous tile in my opinion. This is a really yellow bathroom, half bathroom. I'm gonna wallpaper this entire thing, change that light bulb because it's so yellow. I'm gonna get a 2-thing vanity light because lighting there sucks. Our master suite. It's huge. I mean, it's like a good size. It's not too big like the one we have now where everything can just go everywhere. We're gonna put in this big bed or king bed. And then we have this little hallway and it leads to a closet. A closet. I mean, this is amazing. Cody has a lot of shoes. I have a lot of shoes. I have a lot of handbags. I have a lot of, I don't know what else. What would you put on these shelves? Like,
I don't know.
this is a bathroom, master bathroom, toilet, bathtub, shower. This is the tile. It's so ugly, but it's like so good at the same time, if you know what I'm saying. Then tub, which has the same tiling. And another amazing part about this house is this closet. I've waited my entire life for a closet like this. I could just put a bed in here and I would be so happy because I just want to be surrounded by my clothes all the time. So finally I have storage for my clothes. Cody and I share a closet right now. We don't know how much I'm going to take up of this, but he said I could use it. So that's exciting. Vanity. Watch your step. This is like the only, I think, major complaint we had about the house was the carpet upstairs, but eventually we hope to replace that with hardwood floor because unfortunately there's no hardwood floor underneath it. Nothing too exciting here. Big windows. That's south facing windows, which is great because plants. Then we have another bathroom. She took the towel thing. Okay, that was weird. So this is the guest bathroom. Gonna need some paint, but we'll eventually do that. Better lighting. There's like a little shelf in here if you come in. Really nice to have that shelf. Really cool tile. No offense to whoever likes that, but I don't. Thrilling. Here is my office. Now, this house used to be a duplex, so it was split in half. But this will be my office. It's great. It's gonna be pretty empty because it's gonna be like a filming area. This closet is amazing because there's not like a lot of storage, if you know what I mean. But I can put my like filming equipment. It won't be up in my grill, which is nice. So in here, I think this will end up being Cody's office. We haven't quite figured out the logistics of this room yet, but do you have anything? Do you want to share your room?
No, I'm okay. Thank you, though.
Okay. It's long. There's a closet. Here is a very grayish blue room. Another guest bedroom. Then we have a attic space so I can put my Christmas decorations in there. It's kind of scary. Yeah, so that's the house. That's it. So that is the tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure you give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you want to see all the exciting vlogs and like the decorate with me and all that fun stuff because we are so excited. I have so many plans. But mainly follow my new Instagram for our home. It's the Belle. Get it? Bungalow. Belle. I thought it was really funny. Bye.